So I am going to show you today how to make 2 great hand sanitizers using essential oils. The number 1 tip, get great pure essential oils from a really good supplier. And the supplier I use, one of them I use, is aromatherapeutics.com. And you can find them online. They're here in California. And I love the quality of oils. And I'm using them today to show you how to make these hand sanitizers. Now, what I like to do is to take a 2-ounce fluid ounce bottle, and I take rubbing alcohol, and I fill the bottle up about 1 1/4 fluid ounces, okay? And then what I do is I reach for my aloe vera, because aloe vera is also very antibacterial and it skin softens you. So it helps your hands to be very nice and soft when you're using the hand sanitizer, but it's also antibacterial. So you use about quarter of a fluid ounce, and you basically top the bottle up to the neck here, the shoulders, I should say. Now, to this blend, what we do is we start with a very powerful essential oil called clove. Clove oil you have to use in moderation. You use 2 drops that you add to the formulation there. And be really careful with this because it is skin sensitizing and you want to make sure that you're not going to burn your hands. But again, very powerful oil that used to be used as a disinfectant during the First World War for surgical equipment. It's amazing, but it shows you how strong it is. Now, the next very strong antibacterial oil that I love to use in this sanitizing blend is cinnamon. Again, you add 2 drops of cinnamon to this blend. No more than that, because again, it can irritate the skin. And then we move into fabulous lemon. I mean, who doesn't love the smell of lemon, that beautiful, refreshing citrus smell? But we're using it because of its antibacterial benefits. And we're using 8 drops, there we go. And 8 drops will add that antibacterial quality, but also that fabulous aroma. We then move into Eucalyptus globulus. Ta-da! Eucalyptus globulus is a version of eucalyptus, and there are hundreds of different types of eucalyptus out there. And the reason I like Eucalyptus globulus is because it helps to move mucus and phlegm in the chest if you have a cough or infection. And what we're doing is we're actually adding 8 drops again of eucalyptus to this blend. Finally, we move to good old rosemary. Rosemary has also been used for centuries. Rosemary essential oil. And I love rosemary because it brings the blend together. And we only use 4 drops. And it's also highly antiviral, antibacterial, and makes a good disinfectant. So here we have this beautiful aromatic hand sanitizer, and because we've used the alcohol, it means that the alcohol will keep the essential oils sitting on our skin and will take a longer time to evaporate. So those essential oils are going to be really working on our behalf as we're moving around the stores and doing our daily chores and whatever else we're doing. Now, if you can't use alcohol and you're allergic to it, there's a surprise here. I'm going to give you a nugget of information today that you may not have known about. Colloidal silver. Now, colloidal silver has been known for a very long time to be a natural disinfectant without any of the toxins that bleach has. Colloidal silver has been wonderful for countertop use and using around the house and spraying on your furniture without creating any allergic reactions. So what you can do is you buy colloidal silver online or any of the health food stores, and you add 1 1/4 fluid ounces to your 2-ounce bottle. Again, add your 1/4 ounce of aloe vera to that, and you're going to add exactly the same essential oils that I just used for the first hand sanitizer to this. One final note, if you have high blood pressure, please avoid rosemary oil, okay? And you can find a lot more recipes and formulations in my book, Hot Water for Tea, on Amazon, which gives you a whole range of recipes and blends that I've used over the years with my clients. Lots of different things that you can make at home. So have fun with this, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.